Welcome to this video on mastering SAP Materials Management. Discover how to build a rewarding career by mastering procurement, inventory management, and essential SAP S/4HANA skills right here in the Delhi NCR region. SAP Materials Management is the core engine of modern supply chain operations. It encompasses procurement, inventory management, vendor management, and material planning, all of which directly improve business efficiency and reduce costs. As an enterprise hub, SAP Materials Management connects all business departments. Its real-time integration ensures seamless communication across the organization, leading to significantly improved operational efficiency. See the modern edge of S/4HANA innovations compared to legacy SAP. With mobile-ready Fiori applications, a unified business partner approach, and real-time reporting, organizations are rapidly modernizing their operations. Delhi NCR has emerged as a strategic hub for SAP careers. With a growing IT and manufacturing sector, strong corporate presence, and access to experienced trainers, it is an ideal location for professional growth. Whatever your background, from fresh graduates to supply chain professionals, there is a structured learning path for you. No prior SAP experience is required to begin this journey. The first phase of our curriculum takes you from master data management, covering materials, vendors, and source lists, through to the practical procurement process, including requisitions and purchase orders. Phase 2 deepens your expertise in inventory control and material valuation. You will learn everything from goods receipts and issues to invoice verification and direct integration with SAP FICO. Translate your new expertise into lucrative job roles. Whether in systems consulting or core supply chain operations, top industries like manufacturing, retail, and logistics are actively hiring skilled professionals. Mastering SAP Materials Management offers a direct return on investment. Professionals enjoy high industry demand, competitive salary packages, global opportunities, and the readiness to achieve SAP certification. We bridge the gap between raw potential and a future-ready consultant. Our program provides the industry-relevant projects, hands-on practice, and certification guidance needed to succeed. When choosing a training institute, look for industry-experienced trainers, updated S/4HANA curricula, hands-on system practice, and dedicated placement assistance to ensure your professional success. Take the first step toward your SAP career today. Contact ThinkTree Technologies to enroll in our comprehensive training program and unlock rewarding opportunities in the global SAP ecosystem.